So I had a video that I fixed this rusted hole in my bathtub 6 years ago, but now the water is leaking when people taking showers right underneath the drain of the bathtub. So we need to remove it, and this time we're going to do it correctly for good. Okay, so we need to use this to remove the drain. This is the one. So it looks like the water leak into here and go down. So we have to seal it. Okay, so we'll remove the old one. This time I think I'm just gonna fix it so that we can use it into summer. We're gonna replace this whole tub. Right now, we just need to fix it so it doesn't leak downstairs. Okay, so I bought this one. It's really thin metal. I think stainless. So I can make the frame, the patch for the bathtub. So this one here, this circle will be where the rubber gasket's gonna be. So I'm gonna use this one. It's gonna be exactly the same size. Okay, so we cut it. It's round enough. Now we're gonna cut along here to fit it. So using this one, we cut very easily. So we try to fit it as much as possible. Okay, so this one looks pretty close. But the important thing is that we have to be able to slide it down. So I'm using this to clean the rust on the bottom. So make sure it's smooth so it will glue to the JB weld. So we slide it in and we're going to tighten it to make sure it got a nice groove. Okay, so later we're going to take it out and put the JB weld. And then we're going to pull this one up to make sure that it will work. So I'm going to glue on this one and put on the plate and try to pull it up so it will stick the two together. So we put this one in here so we can pull it up. Okay, so if I tighten it too hard, it won't hold. It snap out of the glue. So we use the rubber band to pull it up. Not really all the way, but it's better than nothing. Well, remove this. It seemed to come up higher, so we want to glue it. So it's pretty hard. Now we're gonna have to put JB weld along here to make sure that it won't have any leaks between the new frame, the new piece, and the top. Okay, so the first stage is done. It's pretty tight now. So we're gonna put another piece over here to cover this up, and we put more JB weld along the side here to make sure that there's no leak in between the metal.
So to mix JB weld correctly, we need to put equal parts of the white and the black stuff.
So I'm going to cut an aluminum can thin to cover it up a little bit.
Put JB weld and the aluminum cutout to fit and wait for an hour to press it all the way down because it's thin. So when it's dried up, we put another layer of JB weld to cover the aluminum.
Okay, so this time I'm going to use putty instead of silicone. Okay. Well, it doesn't look like it's leaking anymore. Perfect.
With the water run down really fast and it doesn't leak.